Hey YouTube! So today's video is a little touch of randomness, and that is me making I don't even know what to call it because it didn't exactly turn out the way I thought or had intended for it to turn out, but it's still delicious, so I'm happy with it. I guess I was going for kind of like a coffee smoothie or frappuccino of sorts, and I ended up getting almost like an iced coffee with a froth. You know what? That's what this turned out to be. It ended up being like an iced coffee with some froth. And again, I don't hate it. So this is what happened. This video by no means was planned whatsoever. I have been binging on some iJustine videos on YouTube for the last week and a half, and I had seen her a few days ago, one of the videos, it's an old video, of her making some type of coffee contraption. Now, if you guys watch her videos, cooking is not her forte, so when I saw her put this together, I figured, well, if she can do it, I'm sure I can do it. I can cook, probably, if I put more effort to it. We won't get into that. Let's get into the point of this video. So I decided, you know what? I have some cold brewed coffee from a little bit earlier. I have 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream left from a few days ago. I probably have some pumpkin creamer. So I thought, you know what? Let me just stick all this in a little NutriBullet and see what happens. So I got all my ingredients together. Started with my 1 scoop of ice cream. I then proceeded to try to put my pumpkin creamer. Here's the thing, I did not have as much as I had hoped to have, but I wanted to try it out, see if maybe it would be just enough because I'm just making 1 cup, right? And I got my brewed coffee that was cooled. I should have made it stronger though. Whenever you make coffee that you're brewing into some sort of iced drink, you need your coffee to be double the strength you normally make it for your hot drinks. All the water from most likely the ice that you're going to add to make your iced coffee drink is going to dilute the strength of the coffee. So you want to make sure whenever you make an iced drink that your coffee is double the strength than you normally make it. I didn't do that this time, but it's okay. So ended up putting my coffee in, took a few cubes of ice, added that in as well. Then it was time to blend. So once I blend it together, I realized it's a little watery. I wanted to add a little more oomph to it. So that's when I started getting a little fancy. Not really. I added a little more coffee in there. Now, since sadly my pumpkin creamer was finished, I didn't need to, but for flavor purposes, I wanted to add more flavored creamer. So I got my amaretto creamer, which is my go-to creamer that I use for my coffee most days. Added a little bit of that, a little more ice, and I blended that sucker together again. And then, voila! It's actually very yummy. I do not hate it whatsoever. It tastes like a deliciously flavored iced coffee with a nice froth to the top of it. That's good. That's good. So here's the deal. Now I'm inspired and I'm definitely going to attempt to make this again. I want to do it pumpkin. You know, our lovely fall season is here. So to stick with that theme, and because I think it would be delicious in pumpkin. So I'm going to get more pumpkin creamer. Going to make sure that my coffee is double the strength next time. And I'm going to try this sucker again. I think it's going to be delicious. I'm not even going to bother with the ice cream. I don't really think the ice cream did much to it. Maybe if I had added more, it would have been maybe thicker or creamier. But it was really just because I had it there and I didn't know what I was going to do with it. So I figured, put it in. Next time, no ice cream. just the creamer, double strength of coffee, add extra ice to see if I can get it a little thicker consistency. When that happens, I will also record that for you guys and show you how that turned out. I haven't been able to give you guys a video in a couple of weeks. Again, I hate that I feel like I'm always apologizing, but things keep happening. We had a family wedding out of town that we had to travel to, only to come home and realize, oh, there's a hurricane coming. So we spent the last week watching and prepping for a hurricane, and thankfully we are safe. All ended well for us. Unfortunately, that is not the case for many in the northern part of the state, as well as Haiti and other countries down in the Caribbean. So I hope everyone is safe. This random video seemed like it was a nice little treat to give you guys, especially because it was probably one of the first videos that I finally was able to do about coffee. This channel is about all things coffee, reading, writing. Here's your coffee video portion of our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this extremely random video. Again, when I decide to reattempt this recipe with, more purpose and preparation, I'll definitely record that for you guys. Maybe I'll try different recipes at once. Maybe I can do like a fall themed iced coffee recipes. If you guys have any fall iced coffee recipes or any fall flavors that you guys want me to try, let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure to put that video together for you guys. So until next time, if you guys like this video, we ask that you give it a thumbs up. I'll make sure to make more videos just like this in the near future. If this is your first time here, hey, hi, how are you? Welcome to our channel. There is a subscribe button somewhere within the vicinity of my face. You guys should click that button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. As always, don't forget to check out our site, coffeereadingwriting.com. Check out all of our mugs available right now for purchase. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you again soon with more randomness. Bye! It is quite delicious. It was an accident, but it was a pleasant one.